Hi everyone, today I'll be talking about the discovery of the dual quasars. So let's get started. First, let's get familiar with quasars. Although quasars are super old, it was mostly thought that they could be a type of star due to their intense bright light. But when found that spectral lines don't match that of a star, it was discovered that the light was coming from the center of a galaxy's supermassive black hole. As the black hole sucks in material from nearby bodies, a huge light is sent off of it, causing what we know as a quasar. This particular picture here was taken from the Hubble telescope. So, what exactly is a quasar? A quasar is the immense bright light made by the center of a galaxy's black hole, which sucks in material, making the very bright lights that we are able to see. It is essentially the nucleus of the galaxy. The quasar is created when a massive black hole has enough material around it to fall into its accretion disk. The light you see in these galaxies is a quasar. Recently, NASA spotted two dual quasars, or twin dual quasar. Double quasars are rare, but a twin double quasar is super rare. This event happened about 10 billion years ago and was found to be 4 galaxies merging together. That's 4 black holes all in one small area, compared to the vastness of space, of course. In order for a dual twin quasar to happen, it needs to have at least 4 merging galaxies and quasars. Each pair is in the center of 2 galaxies merging. The small distance is less than half of how far away we are from our own center of the galaxy. This discovery is so rare that finding just one double quasar is 1 in 1,000, opposed to regular quasars that are found. This would be the closest double quasar that we have ever found, being only 10,000 light years away from each other, which is very, very close. So the Hubble telescope was a huge factor in being able to take pictures of these quasars. It's its most recent major discovery. This discovery may be the first of its life that allows astronomers to begin mapping ideas of supermassive black holes, ultimately turning into one galaxy. This is, of course, such a magnificent discovery for us. This particular dual quasar was spotted using an observatory called Gemini North with the help of the Gaia satellite. The European Space Agency was a huge help to Hubble as well in pinpointing where to place the Hubble telescope to get the pictures as we see below. These are all 4 of the quasars that make up our twin dual quasar. So, these quasars happened about 10 billion years ago. What we see was from 10 billion years ago. It's events that occurred in the past. It's very important that we are seeing the history of our universe, not the present. Being only able to see back this event from 10 billion years ago, it is possible that the quasar is now a merged normal galaxy. Knowing this makes us think conditions like the dual quasar we just discovered could be completely changed. So, how does a single dual quasar occur? A single dual quasar happens when two galaxies merge and begin the process of becoming one galaxy. Material from around both black holes begin to accumulate into the black holes until they burst out light, which is what we see at the center of a galaxy with a quasar. Essentially, a dual quasar is just a combination of two galaxies with quasars in the middle of them in space. Though it's not common, dual quasars do occur all over the universe. This particular picture is a picture of a galaxy merging with a quasar, which will turn into a double quasar essentially. So, the merging of two quasars. Quasars, as we will learn this week in our spotlight videos that we watch, are very interesting as we found out, but the merging of two quasars, or colliding of two galaxies, is very interesting. Here we have three examples from right to left, and from top to bottom. Top is before, and bottom ultimately would be after and or during. So 3 examples of galaxies colliding and merging from left to right. We have here on the left solitary galaxies. In the middle we have colliding galaxies, and on our right we have merging galaxies. The colliding galaxies, as seen in our middle pictures, are much like our dual quasars discovered just weeks ago, but only with our dual twin quasar, it has 4 host quasars merging together, rather than this picture having only 2. This may happen with our own galaxy and the Andromeda galaxy, where they could possibly become one active galaxy or possibly a double quasar, if and when they join together. With new tech brings us new discoveries. The telescope of Hubble, with the support of Sloan and Gaia, the finding of just one dual twin quasar sets the stage for future discoveries, which is pretty exciting. The new findings of using multiple sources, like the telescope of Hubble, with the support of Sloan and Gaia, will bring the frequency of these findings, these anomalies, up. It will become more common than before.